Hi everyone, I'm Cynthia, the founder of FixnWear. One question I get asked all the time is, why do you call them sewists instead of seamstresses? When I was creating FixnWear, I wanted a word that could describe anyone who sews. Some people learn from their parents or grandparents, and some choose to sew professionally as their career. Some only hem pants or repair clothes on the weekends. At the end of the day, they're all sewists. The word sewist simply means someone who sews, and I felt it was the most welcoming way to describe the amazing people on our platform. Whether you can hem a pair of pants, replace a zipper, sew on a button, or create beautiful custom clothing, your skills matter. That's why I chose the name Sewist. If you'd like to join the FixnWear community, visit FixnWear.com/join. Or if you're looking for a local sewist, visit FixnWear.com/search. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more sewing, alteration, and small business content.